My video guide will provide you with recommendations that will help you to get rid of fake Adobe Flash Player updates from your Mac computer. This video is specifically about removing the malware from Mac browsers. This is a fake software update alert coming from the site Orfei.icu. As you can now clearly see, this pop-up attacks Safari browser, and it indicates some misleading information mentioning that Adobe Flash Player is out of date and that you need to install so-called update. However, this information is totally faulty, because Apple doesn't use any third-party websites to promote its updates. And if there is any decent update available, you will see a special notification in the software update section. So you will be able to proceed and install any update in case it is indeed available. But if people mistakenly download and install this so-called Flash Player update, this actually may hijack a lot of crucial browser settings. Sometimes these fake updates may promote adware, browser hijackers, some fake system optimization applications, and other sorts of malware. So please be very careful, do not ever interact with these fake updates. In case it was mistakenly installed, you need to carefully research your available applications and delete any programs that might be suspicious. If you find something unfamiliar here, get rid of it right away from the applications list. But sometimes it might happen that visually the system is free of threats, but still there are some hidden infections. I strongly advise that you scan your device with Combo Cleaner, which has got the great version for Mac computers. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner using this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and then begin scanning your computer with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your computer. I would want to tell you that initially the application is in the trial mode, however, but there are certain great free features, for instance, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to boost the system performance even with these three free features. The antivirus part, however, is the component of the premium license only. Keep this in mind. But Combo Cleaner premium version will help to detect and delete all sorts of other threats that could be concealed on your Mac computer. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and then you need to click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching your device and will detect all other possibly hidden threats. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.